Here is how to version control documents in Clio Manage. Once you are already signed in to Clio Manage, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click Documents. This opens the area where your stored files are listed, so you can work with an existing document instead of creating a new one. From there, find a document whose versions you want to manage. Take a moment to identify the correct file before opening it, especially if there are similar names in the list. When you have the right document, click on it to open its document details. Inside the document details, look for the versions section or any version information shown for that file. This is where Clio Manage tracks updates to the same document over time. Instead of making a separate document entry for every revision, this area keeps the file history connected in one place. When you find that section, click the option to upload a new version. After that, select the updated copy of the document from your computer. Make sure you choose the revised file you want attached to the existing record, since this upload is meant to replace the current working version while keeping the earlier versions available in the background. Upload the file and allow Clio Manage to process it. The important detail here is that the system keeps the new upload associated with the existing document, rather than creating an unrelated document somewhere else in your files. That connection is what makes version control useful, because the updates stay tied to the same document record. After the upload finishes, open the document's version history. In this view, you can see the versions that have been uploaded for that document. This gives you a record of changes over time and lets you confirm that the new file was added where you expected. If you need to look back at an earlier copy, select a previous version from the history that allows you to view or access an older version of the document without losing the newer one. It is a good way to verify content from an earlier draft or check what changed between uploads. Finally, confirm that the newest upload is displayed as the current version. This is the last check to make sure the updated document is now the active file attached to that record, while the earlier versions remain available in the history for reference when needed. Thanks for watching. The document now has a new uploaded version in Clio Manage, with version history available and the latest file shown as current.